Hi, my name is Jeff Lewis with Doug's Lynwood Mazda. Here I have a 2011 Mitsubishi Endeavor. Only got 25,000 miles on it. Definitely in great condition. It's got the front mud flaps, fog lights, the roof rails on it. Very clean car. It's basically brand new. You have all your power options on it. Power windows, power locks, keyless entry. Of course, you have the air conditioning, all that basic amenities you're looking for. But I really should be talking about is how clean the car is. Definitely brand new. If you're looking for an Endeavor or for an SUV, this is a great option. 5 people will sit comfortably in it. And if you move over to the back, I'm going to open this guy up real quick for you. You can see you do have a huge trunk space. Definitely will be able to fit a lot of stuff. Definitely all the cargo room you're looking for the whole family. One to come look at. Again, my name is Jeff with Doug's Mazda. You can reach me here at 425-774-3551. Let's take this one for a test drive. Thank you.